Ugh, my fountain pen won't write. It was writing yesterday, I capped it, I put it away, I pulled it out today, and it's not writing. Don't worry, it can happen to any of us. I'm Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution, and let's talk about what to do if your pen has stopped writing. The first thing I want to talk about is the ink you're using. It's very important to use high quality fountain pen ink. And listen carefully, never put calligraphy ink, sometimes known as India ink, in your fountain pen. This is the type of ink you might find at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or a craft store like that in the dip pen section. This type of ink normally comes in a bottle similar to this, usually has an eyedropper on top, and it's meant only for dip pens. If you put this type of ink in your fountain pen, it's like putting glue in your fountain pen, and it will definitely stop writing very quickly. So it's important to use a good quality fountain pen ink. Diamine makes a great ink. You can try our Fountain Pen Revolution ink. There's a lot of good brands out there. Just make sure that the ink you're using is meant for fountain pens. All right, so we've got the right ink. You might consider if your pen's just out of ink. I opened up this morning. It wasn't writing. I screwed off the barrel, looked at the converter, and sure enough, it's just out of ink. It simply needs to be re-inked, and I'll be good to go. But if you've got the right ink in it, and you know there is ink in it, what is probably causing your fountain pen not to write 90+% of the time is dried ink that's gotten stuck in the feed. You see, fountain pen ink is water-based, and since it's water-based, it means the water can evaporate, and as the water evaporates, it leaves dry, crusted ink in your feed, and it will cause the pen to stop writing. The good news is this is normally very easy to fix. 9 times out of 10, simply getting a bottle of ink and re-inking your pen will solve the problem, and you can go back to writing. If your pen is cartridge filled, you could get a little bit of water and just dip the nib and feed in that water quickly. That will be enough to rehydrate the ink most of the time, and you can go back to writing. If those steps don't help, then your pen probably needs a more thorough cleaning. You might get yourself a bottle of Pen Flush. If Pen Flush doesn't help, you might need to take the pen apart, pull out the nib and feed, and give them a good scrub. Another thing to consider is that there might be some debris in the tines of your nib. You see, a nib has a slit down the center, and that's where the ink flows. But if some paper fibers or other debris gets trapped inside that nib slit between the tines, it will cause the ink to stop flowing. The fix for this is pretty simple. You want to pull the nib out of your pen. You want to get yourself some brass flossing sheets, and you're going to use those sheets to floss in between the tines of the nib to get out any potential debris. Now, we've got any debris out of the nib slit, but it could be how you're holding the pen. If you rotate a pen as you write, such that the nib slit is no longer touching the paper, this will also cause it to stop writing. You see, as I described before, ink flows down that nib slit. Now, this problem happens most commonly with stub nib fountain pens. Since the tipping is flat, it's very easy to rotate the nib such that the slit of the nib is no longer touching the paper. So you can see with this stub nib fountain pen, it's writing just fine, but I'm going to begin to rotate it a little bit to the right, and as soon as that slit stops touching the paper, the pen doesn't write anymore. So it's very important that that nib slit touches the paper at all times. Now, if you're writing with a flex nib fountain pen, the problem could be an airlock. You see, fountain pens essentially breathe. They exhale ink and they inhale air. But if you write with a pen too quickly, especially when using a flex nib pen, such that ink comes out faster than air can get in, it can cause an airlock in the pen and cause the pen to stop writing. So I've got my flex nib pen and everything's going great. Actually, that one railroaded pretty quick. There we go. I'm going to go quick with the pen, and all of a sudden it's not writing because I wrote too quickly while flexing and the pen formed an airlock. The fix for this is normally pretty easy. If you rub your finger down that slit from back to front, it'll normally get the airflow or get the ink flow going again. If that doesn't work, you might just dip the nib and feed in a bottle of ink, and that will normally work. Or you could open up the pen and advance the converter or twist the piston to express a little bit of ink into that nib and feed. I bet one of those solutions will get your pen up and running, and if not, feel free to reach out to us. We are happy to help.